Greetings everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to say thank you to all of you for subscribing. YouTube sent me an email making it official. We have reached the 100 subscriber mark, and as promised, it's time to do a giveaway. But first, just a few announcements I want to throw out there. Number one, the DC Shaves just released a video, and he's looking to do a giveaway when he reaches 150 subs. For anyone that's subscribed to me that has not viewed the DC Shaves, please go to his channel. He's at like 125, something like that. So he needs only 25 more subs, and he's going to do a giveaway. Second announcement, thank you to those of you that wished me well for my exam. I passed, so that chapter is done, and hopefully that will get me ever so closer to having a full-time job once this COVID stuff slows down. I'm so glad to have that weight off my shoulders. The third announcement that I want to make is about the blade bracket. It's upside down. So if you have not already sent me your bracket elimination, please do that. And to all of you YouTubers that watch this video or had seen the original video, please spread the word across the community. I'd like this to be a fun activity. I have like 5 or 6 entries so far, and that's it. And I was hoping to get more. So I originally was going to close this tomorrow, May 1st at 7 o'clock. But I'm going to extend it through the weekend, through Sunday, all the way through Sunday, midnight my time. So anything that's submitted after midnight is not going to make it. But please pass the word and let the community know that this is a 32 blade elimination fun tournament. And the link to the bracket is in my original video. I'm going to link that video right here, and I'm also going to link it in the description underneath this video. And it will contain a link to the bracket. Just fill it out in totality. Pick all the winners up front and then send it to me. My email is right here on the screen. magboycreations@gmail.com. So please send me your brackets, and if you have any problem whatsoever filling it out, just send me an email and I'll work with you to fill it out. I thought it was going to be an editable PDF when I put it up there. My version is. When I convert it, I can't convert it to be editable. So instead of replacing the link, just let me know if you have a problem. You could edit it maybe in PDF if you have that ability. You can copy it over to Excel. You can print it, write in your answers, take a picture with your phone and email it to me, however you want to do it. Just get me the bracket by Sunday and you're entered into the tournament. The way the tournament is going to work is just like the NCAA scoring, and if you're not familiar with that, there's different levels. So the first level is all of the games right here. You're going to get 1 point for each of the original games. The second level, which is right here, you're going to get 2 points per win. The third level is going to be 4 points, and then ultimately the winner is going to be 8 points. So you're not out, right? We're going to do all of the games, and at the end we're going to total the points, and if you have the most points, you win. If there is a tie, the people that are tied will get into a drawing. I'll randomly pick one, and then that will be the winner, okay? So fill it out in totality. Keep a copy. Watch for updates either on this YouTube channel or social media, and then you'll know how many points that you get. I'm going to have a tracker that I'm going to publish, so at the end we'll know who the winner is. And I am going to do something for that, whoever wins. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do. So I think you're going to like what the winner's going to get, but definitely take the time to fill it in and send it to me at magboycreations@gmail.com. And please spread the word in the community. Open until Sunday, okay? Now, what we really need to do now is talk about my giveaway. So, I announced that we're going to be giving away a Lather Brothers Special Edition soap. This is Flamingo Trance. We have a soap and after splash. This was made for the Big Shave East. And this is a spin on a bay rum scent. You're going to get bay rum, and you're also going to get a hint of citrus. So it has a wonderful blend of the 2 base notes, And there's a lot of stuff happening in this, but it's a tremendous, tremendous scent. It has good staying power, and I've shaved with it off camera a few times. This is my copy, by the way. And I will do a shave with it on camera for you during the giveaway. I have two, one for me and one for you, so I'm not using yours. And those of subscribers of mine that are international, I know that sending aftershave can be difficult, so if an international individual wins, contact me and we'll work something out, okay? Because I want it to be fair for everybody, and it's not fair for somebody local to get 2 products and then someone international only gets 1 because I can't ship the aftershave. So I will make it fair, just let me know, all right? So to qualify, you need to subscribe to this channel, you need to like the video, and in this description you need to say, I'm in, okay? Unique entries only, so duplicate entries will not be counted as extra entries to the contest. You only get 1 shot. You can leave as many comments as you want, but you're only entered once. And we will leave this contest open for 1 week. So a week from today is May 7th. On May 8th, Friday, at 3 p.m. New York time, I will do my first live video on YouTube. I hope it'll go over well. But during the live, I will announce the winner of this Lather Brothers soap and aftershave set that I'm giving away. We'll do it Friday the 8th, live at 3 o'clock New York time. Okay? Great. Once again, thanks to all of you that have become subscribers. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. And this is a 10th of the way to our goal. My goal is 1,000, but little wins along the way are the best. So I look forward to doing the giveaway. Good luck to all of you. And we're on our way to 200, which will be the next milestone. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.